Hi, this is Dave Aquino with Microquant, and this is the free video for Friday, May 29th, 2015. So last day of May, we are looking at Apple, and we see some inherent weakness here. Okay, not only are we breaking below the 8-day EMA, now we're not yet closed there, so there is some possibility we're going to close above it, but we do have a lower low and a pretty strong lower low and lower high here. A close below the 8 EMA really kind of confirms the potential downside drop in Apple. So actually that's what I'm looking for. Right now, Apple bounced off this Head and Shoulders head from this low here on the 12th, ran higher. It's consolidating in a pennant, and today we're starting to break lower. I want to give you some potential pullback targets. The first one is 127.5. This is the 50-day EMA. All right, below that, it is this swing level right below 125, and that corresponds to the double shoulders. And then below that is 123.34, which is the low of the 12th. Can Apple fall that far? I think it's very possible we could fall $3, $5, $7 in Apple in a weak market. Now today we had weakness early part of the day, and then we've since recovered about half that weakness. I like the fact that Apple is bouncing a little bit, but if I'm going to be bearish, I really want to see Apple close below the 8 EMA, which is currently at 130.79, and then you could set it up for a move lower. You can use debit spreads or directional puts and calls. The one thing you may want to be cautious of is this. If we're getting close to the 4 o'clock hour and we're still above the 8 EMA, I would not initiate a position over the weekend, because Monday is the first trading day of the month. There tends to be a positive inflow into the markets that has a tendency to make the markets be positive, as well as kind of provide buoyancy to stocks that may, based on technical analysis, should be set up to fall. So you may want to be patient and wait. If we break below the 8 EMA and close below it, taking a position over the weekend could be okay. It's up to you. I don't think there's any rush. That's a strong potential down move, and I really like the move if the market is weaker. So maybe you be a little patient, watch it first couple of days of next week. I think Apple could set up as a nice trade to the downside in a weak market.